Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue when Curseforge is not logging in properly. Method 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working properly. Try opening a website or streaming video to confirm. Method 2. Restart Curseforge and your PC. Close the Curseforge app completely. Restart your computer to clear any temporary glitches. Method 3. Run Curseforge as administrator. Right-click the Curseforge icon and select Run as administrator. This helps if permissions are blocking login. Method 4. Clear Curseforge cache. Open File Explorer. Navigate to %appdata%\Curseforge. Delete the cache folder. Don't worry, it will rebuild. Restart Curseforge and try logging in again. Method 5. Update Curseforge. Make sure you are using the latest version of Curseforge. Check for updates within the app or download the latest version from the official website. Method 6. Disable VPN or proxy. If you use a VPN or proxy, try disabling it temporarily as it may block login. Method 7. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Make sure Curseforge is allowed through your firewall or antivirus software. Add it to the exception list if needed. Method 8. Reinstall Curseforge. If nothing works, uninstall Curseforge and then reinstall it from the official website. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more tech fixes and gaming tips.